A number of prominent people connected to Gophers athletics say that they have serious concerns about the ongoing athletic director search. As David McCoy reports, they are worried about the size of the committee and the perception that interim athletic director Beth Getz is likely to get the permanent job.
Played a role.
Minnesota's 16-member search committee is double the size of recent ones at Michigan, Illinois, and Purdue, and many connected to Gopher athletics worry that raises the likelihood of leaks, which could discourage potential candidates from pursuing the job. Obviously, the more people, the more chance of leaks being made, said former Gophers athletic director McKinley Boston. A sitting AD is going to be concerned because of the confidentiality piece of it. Some people just don't want to take that risk. Donors question if you have 1 foot out the door. Boston's comments echo a common concern among prominent donors, influential alumni, and athletic department personnel. WCCO spoke to more than a dozen people for this story. Somebody's going to tell somebody who's going to tell somebody, Boston said. That's just the nature of the beast. Usually on a committee of 16, somebody's going to share what's going on. 3 potential candidates from other schools said that's a valid concern. It makes you look at things much harder and much closer, one said. Another said the perception Beth Getz will get the permanent job is widespread, which could cause others to shy away. Boston said several called him to ask if the job was worth pursuing.
I got the impression that he would like her to get the job now.
Gopher booster Jim Carter said Kaler recently told him he'd like to hire Getz, but isn't sure she has enough experience. Multiple sources, including Carter, said they're concerned the large committee is more about reinforcing Kaler's decision than helping him make it.
To me, that's covering your ass. So if something goes wrong, if it's not a good hire, again, you can say, well, it was the committee or it was the search firm.
Those who shared their concerns with WCCO said that their issues are with Kaler, not Getz, who they said is well-liked and highly respected in the department, but too inexperienced. Kaler and Getz both declined comment through a university spokesman. We have much more on this story with additional information right now on WCCO.com.